who's into cryptocurrencies must know about CoinMarketCap as well. It is where you get all the details regarding coins, tokens, exchanges, airdrops and everything else. By the end of June, they launched a loyalty program where the users could collect the so-called CoinMarketCap Diamonds on a daily basis. And they upgrade the feature in such a way that we, the users, can make use of these diamonds to redeem NFTs and mystery boxes. So let us dive straight into it.
So here we are in the CoinMarketCap website. Obviously, we have to register and log in, which I have already done. So let's click on the diamond button. On clicking on that, we get directed to My Diamonds tab. In this page, we can see the amount of diamonds we have collected. If we move further down, we can see the amount of diamonds we get for each day. From day 1 to day 3, it is 10 diamonds each. From day 4 to day 6, it is 20 diamonds. And on the 7th day, it is 50. The 8th day will be calculated as a day 1 and the cycle repeats. As you can see, I require 10 hours 33 minutes to collect my next set of diamonds. If we go down, we can see different ways we can collect more diamonds. The first set is the daily tasks. The first one is where I have to join an airdrop to get 10 diamonds. Let's click on that page. This is the airdrop CoinMarketCap page, which are valid. The left side will show the ongoing airdrops and the right side the upcoming ones. Let's click on any of these ongoing airdrops. So here we are in the TradeStar coin webpage, which will have all the necessary details about this coin. If we scroll down, we can see the airdrop tab. On the left side, there will be instructions on how to participate in this airdrop. Here you can see the amount of coins that will be received as airdrops, the number of winners that will be selected, and the total number of participants as of now. On the right side, we can see the time remaining to participate in this event. So let's click on join this airdrop. Here we can see all the instructions that we require to participate in this airdrop. At first, we need to add this coin to the watch list, which I have done. Then we require a Twitter page accounts where we have to follow these two pages. Then we need to follow this Facebook account. Then we have to join all these 3 Telegram channels. Clicking on these will direct us to respective social media pages, so we can do this tasks. If we go down, we can see that we need to provide our Ethereum wallet address, which can be MetaMask or Trust wallet address, or of your preferred wallet. Then we have to provide our Twitter, Facebook and Telegram handle so that they can verify whether we have followed or joined the respective pages. At the end, we have to enable all these and click on join airdrop, and that's it. The second daily task was where we have to provide price estimates for 3 different coins to get 10 diamonds. I have done one already. There are 2 more pending ones. So let's go to that page. So here is a page of price estimates. There is Bitcoin, Thunder, Cardano, Ethereum, Position Exchange and Shiba Inu. Let's go to Bitcoin for now. So all the details about Bitcoin, its white paper and everything will be available in this page. Let's scroll a little bit down. And here we can see the different price estimates for different months. For August, September, October, till the January of the next year. So I have already done for this month, and my estimate was 47,899 USD. As you can see, in each month different information is given, which first one is the date, the amount of people that have been voted, the respective median or the average price the people have voted, the difference in percentage with its current value. On clicking submit, we require to provide the amount, the predicted amount. So we can either type in manually or choose from any of these and click submit. And on doing so, our response will be recorded into their system. So we have to do this for 3 different coins. Now there are another 2 set of tasks which are related. So let's go to that page. So this page will show the list of countries and from there we have to choose which country will choose crypto as a legal tender. As we all know, El Salvador has already done it. So it is our quest to choose any three from all these lists. I have already chosen Paraguay, Venezuela, and Panama. You can do your own research and choose any three, and in doing so you'll be able to claim 10 diamonds from here. I have already done this, and so this message is showing up. And if any of these three that we have selected does choose crypto as a legal tender, then we will be able to claim 50 diamonds from here. Let's go back to the page. So those were the two tasks. Now let's go to the leaderboard. This page will show the list of people who have collected the diamonds with their amount as well. So the maximum amount of diamonds that a person has collected till now is 1200. If we go to the reward section, we can see the list of NFTs that are available. CoinMarketCap Loyalty Diamonds program gets an upgrade. They have mystery boxes. So these three just came very recently and it just got sold out. I'll share the link below for this news. So we can use the accumulated diamonds that we have to purchase any of these NFTs. On clicking any, we can view its brief details as well as instructions on how to redeem them. You can see the number of supplies, its current diamond price, as well as the balance number that we have. I'll just add a video along with this where my friend redeem an NFT using his diamonds. A pop-up comes up and all the necessary details on how to redeem it is available in it. At first he was required to install Engine Wallet app. If he hadn't, the link to install it as well as instructions on how to create a wallet is available in that pop-up. And what he had to do was get the ERC1155 wallet address and paste it. So he clicks on redeem now. The instructions are again shown above. Apart from that, now he has the option to paste the Ethereum wallet address from the Engine Wallet app. After that, he was required to enable all the toggle options. He selects redeem and a message is shown saying that it will be shown in the address in the next 7 days of redemption. And that's it.